Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the rewards and benefit of Citibank credit card. So then the reward and a benefit of Citibank credit card are you'll be able to get 10% point back on all redemption option, that is gift card, travel reward, and shop with points. To name a few for the first time, 100,000 your and thank you points you redeem for the year. Now, for example, redeem 10,000 points for a 100,000 gift card and receive 100,000 points back. So, in order to get to know more about it or to get the information in detail, you can just go ahead and visit the link, that is citibank.com/credit card/city reward plus credit card. Now, the rewards and the benefit also highly depends on the type of card that you're using. So, according to the card, there are different types of features and benefit available. You also have to keep that in mind. So, right on this page, you'll be able to see the reward, credit card points, and program details. So, here you can see you have this option as gift card, shop with points, pay with points, or travel reward, all of that. You can go and read all of these instructions, and simply you'll be able to get the information about the rewards and benefit that is being offered by Citibank credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.